Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Today is December 1st of 2019. Merry Christmas to everyone. Currently I'm still working on my issues for the Navitech Android system. Be advised that there are some out there in AliExpress. There's 4 stores. I'm posting an accurate scene for those of you that wonder where we're getting this information from, and I'm trying to get as much detail as possible. So currently the main issue still is that the sub display here. We don't get anything on the AC portion, and then the only thing that appears is the clock. So what I've done right now is which I already tested, but I'm making a video for you guys. So this is my 2007-2008 navigation screen. So I, as you can see, took it apart, and pretty much what I've done was take this circuit board right here. Okay. Which attached everything in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect all this as OEM on the back of the stereo and just leave it loose right here. Alright, and I'll give you, this is gonna be just the part 1 right now, and I'll give you guys an update on the second video. Alright, cheers, have a good one guys.